Losing subscribers overnight can crush your revenue, and Stripe can suspend accounts with little warning. This quick scan shows how Stripe reserves the right to restrict accounts based on certain business types or activities. Even if your subscription service is legitimate, these rules can put recurring income at risk. Many creators only notice when payments fail or accounts get frozen. Easy Pay Direct protects your subscription income by connecting you with banking partners that understand recurring revenue. You also get features like hosted checkout, transaction routing, and decline recovery, ensuring your subscribers continue paying without interruptions. I've linked Easy Pay Direct in the description. Check it out today to safeguard your recurring income. With Easy Pay Direct, your subscription revenue stays stable and predictable. Click the link in the description and fill out the quick form to get started.